Welcome to Borno, home of peace.
This is Borno.
Alright, hello guys. You're welcome to Borno State, one of the strongest states in Nigeria. And as at 6 years ago, you all knew what was happening in Nigeria concerning the northern part of the state. So basically, the state is totally safe to travel to now. So make sure you visit Borno and don't forget to watch this video to the end. In 2009, Borno State became synonymous with fear and uncertainty as Boko Haram insurgency ravaged the region. 15 years later, I embarked on a darling road trip to explore the aftermath, hope, and resilience in this most tagged, dangerous state. I set out on my road trip from Damilarryfilms, Yobe State, aware of the risk but determined to challenge my perceptions. The long hour of driving gave me time to reflect on the state's horrific past and the story I did add. As I entered Borno State, I was struck by the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert and the rugged beauty of the landscape. I stopped at local village, interacting with residents and hearing their stories of struggle, survival, and resilience. Upon arriving in Maiduguri, I was greeted by the warm hospitality of the locals. I visited historic sites like the Sultan's Palace and the biggest Borno mosque, marveling at the rich cultural heritage of the region. As I ventured deeper into the state, I met incredible individuals who shared their stories of hope and determination, from farmers rebuilding their livelihoods to community leaders promoting peace and understanding. I was inspired by the strength and resilience of the Borno people. I visited local markets, witnessing firsthand the efforts to rebuild and recover. I'm inside one of the biggest cow markets in Borno. Right? Yeah. What's the name of this market again? Shanu. Yeah. So this is one of the biggest markets, cow markets in Borno. So if you want to buy cow, you can always come to Borno, to get a cow. I saw the impact of international aid, government initiative, and community-led projects. Despite the progress, challenges persist. I witnessed the struggle of displaced communities, out-of-school kids, and the impact of climate change on agriculture. However, I also saw opportunity for growth, innovation, and collaboration. My road trip through Borno State was a transformative experience. I discovered a region rich in history, culture, and cultural beauty, with people determined to rebuild and strive. Alright guys, this is Borno and you're welcome to the Shell Palace of Borno. This is it behind me. Very beautiful, isn't it? So I wanted to try camel for the first time, and I never knew camel is this expensive. Very expensive.
On the street of Borno tonight. It's really look beautiful here in Borno. Home of peace indeed.
As I concluded my journey, I carried with me a newfound appreciation for the resilience of the human spirit and a deeper understanding of the complexity of this remarkable region. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more of our travel videos. Bye.
Visit Borno.
This is Borno, home of peace and transparency. Visit Borno.